The Isuzu Trooper has always been a legend in the off-road world. Tough, reliable, and built like a tank, this SUV has a cult following among hardcore adventurers. But here's the big question. Where does the Trooper stand in 2025? Can it still dominate off-road trails? And are there any plans for its return? Let's break it down. If you've been following the off-road scene, you already know that classic 4x4s are skyrocketing in value. According to recent market reports, prices for well-maintained second-gen Isuzu Troopers, 1991-2002, have jumped by nearly 40% in the last 3 years. People are finally realizing that this SUV, with its body-on-frame construction, manual transmission, options, and real 4WD system, is built for serious off-roading. But why now? One major reason is the rise of overlanding and off-grid exploration. More and more people want rugged vehicles that can handle rough terrain without relying on complicated electronics. Unlike modern SUVs loaded with sensors and fragile tech, the Trooper's simplicity makes it perfect for extreme conditions. Whether you're hitting Moab's rocky trails or blasting through desert dunes, a properly modified Trooper can handle it all. Now, let's talk about mods. What's the best setup for an off-road ready Trooper in 2025? Enthusiasts are outfitting these beasts with 2-inch suspension lifts, skid plates, rock sliders, and locking differentials. One of the most popular engine swaps is replacing the stock 3.2L V6 with an Isuzu 4JB1T turbo diesel, giving it more torque and better fuel efficiency for long expeditions. But here's the wildest part. Could we actually see an Isuzu Trooper come back? There have been rumors circulating in the auto industry about Isuzu partnering with electric vehicle companies to develop a rugged, battery-powered SUV, with brands like Toyota bringing back the Land Cruiser 70 series and Ford keeping the Bronco alive. Isuzu might just have a shot at reviving the Trooper as a hybrid or EV off-roader. Some leaked patents suggest that Isuzu is working on a modernized, modular 4WD platform, which could pave the way for a future Trooper reboot. For now, the best move is to grab a Trooper while you still can. Whether you're restoring a classic or building a full-blown off-road rig, this underrated SUV is proving to be one of the best investments in the overlanding world. If you're serious about off-roading, the Isuzu Trooper isn't just an option, it's a legend. Make sure to subscribe for more off-road content and drop a comment if you think Isuzu should bring back the Trooper. Let's keep the spirit of this beast alive.